How to log in Facebook using mobile number. So if you want to log in Facebook using your mobile number, then first of all, open up your Facebook application. And after opening, if you have a saved account, then you can simply tap on your saved account. But if you don't have that, tap on login to another account. So if you want to log in Facebook using your mobile number, then you have to tap on forgot password. And now you have to enter your mobile number to find your account. And after entering your mobile number, tap on find account. And then here you will find your account. And now tap on your account. And then here you don't remember your password, right? So tap on forgot password. And now you have to choose the third option, get code or link through SMS on your mobile number, and then tap on continue. And now you will get a code on your mobile number which you have just entered. So after entering that code, you can tap on continue. And now tap on allow. And now you have to create a new password. And after creating a new password, you can tap on continue. And that's it. That's how you log in your Facebook using your mobile number. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.